Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your UKG HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your UKG HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in careers.ukg.com and make a search. The official page of UKG HR's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Login. You will end up on the login page of UKG HR's account. Enter your username and password associated with your UKG HR's account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your UKG HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.